You do have to add a little bit more oil so it's not so dry, unless you like it dry.
I like it wet.
Most people do.
Moist, I mean, I like it moist. Is that P. Diddy oil? Fiddler diddler oil?
I'm not getting canceled because of you, sir.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Sure.
Dementia. Alzheimer's.
Tortillas. Gotta have your comal.
Okay, show off.
Okay, here's a trick. I know you guys are gonna think it's weird, okay? But trust me, just try it once. Just a little bit of water, just like that, okay? And what that does for you, when you're cooking the egg, the water turns into steam, which gives you air pockets, so it makes it fluffier. If you add a little bit of milk, it'll give you a stronger, it'll make it into like a form of a cake. So it makes it stick better. So if you want something clumpy, a little bit of milk, a little bit of water, that way it'll get fluffier and it'll stick, sort of like a quiche, if you all know what that is.